Alright, what's up YouTube? So today, finally got a new spot to ride pit bikes at some like big sand pit we haven't been to in a while. We got me here, Ryan, Blaze, and yeah, should be fun to get some different places to ride since we've literally ridden Ryan's the little straight whatever track for the past like 3 or 4 days. So should be good to have a little change up. Should be good to go. And I'll hook on the GoPro, go check it out. It might be a little bit different from the last time we were here. It was like last year since we've been here, so fire this thing up. Should be fun. All right, so we just made it back here. There's like a bunch of different sand areas. Sand, it's not, it is sand, but it's not. But a bunch of big little hill climbs. We had a little track going over there, but I don't know if they tore it down. It's not hard. Easy. We'll venture around, see if they've changed anything. Whoa! You got stuck?
There's a sick stuff up over there.
Alright, let's check it out. Whoa!
There's a stuff up over there.
It's all torn down. Go down that. If you guys remember this little track that went through here, shout out to you, because that was a little while ago. Well, it's a lot different from the last time I came. A lot of the stuff is torn down, but it is what it is. This thing's out of focus. Ryan's gonna try and do this little hill climb in the woods or something. He's gotta... Got it? That wasn't bad. You wanna try it or no?
No.
No?
No shot.
It made it look pretty easy though. That wasn't bad.
I told you.
Whoa!
Oh, dude, it stayed standing. What are you doing? Half hour later, picks his bike up.
Yep. How you doing?
That shot.
Dude, it'd be sick if you jumped this and you like leaned it over a little bit.
Yeah.
I'll just get like
And like
under
jumped
your
into
bike.
it. Oh shoot.
What the? This is not the time and place. No, his E-start broke.
Brought us. We've been riding on the road for the past 20 minutes. I don't even know where we are. I'm like 45 minutes from my house. Middle of nowhere, dude.
He goes,
This is
"Oh, it's
stupid."
10 minutes. It ended up being like 7.
Yeah, he's like, yeah, 3 minutes away, and 20 minutes later, we're still
No clue.
not even, yeah. This is dumb. This is why we all need Groms, dude.
Oh, it'd be so much better with Grom.
Yep.
I'm down. Let's go get him.
Let's go get one
I'll-
today. Little crash jump. We got bikes on 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 snowmobiles on a lot. Jeez. You like that, Blaze?
I want to ride this so bad.
What is it? What year?
252 stroke.
What year?
1994.
1994. That thing's pretty sick, dude.
I'm racing it this weekend.
Whose bike was it?
Are they like old dirty ones?
We just found, my uncle bought it from some dude that had it like up in the Adirondacks.
That's
So sick.
that's pretty sweet.
That's the stock header.
You got the Ronnie Mac helmet, all cut up.
That one here.
More
right?
snowmobiles. Damn. Thing's gonna blow up. A ticking. Alright, so we just got back. We had these things pegged for the past like 25 minutes just going down the road. But we're back. Had the thing on reserve. It was a full tank before we went riding. Probably they've been running for like 3 hours straight now. But yeah, they did us well. Can't complain. And now we're gonna get them all loaded up. What, are you riding it up? Whoa, buddy. Jeez. Okay, so today's mission, operation, take these dents out. So just gonna unscrew these, simple enough. Take it apart, heat it up, and try to find something to jam in there and push the dents out. For all the people during my the KX125 build, here's my torque wrench. Didn't think I had one? I had one. These things were definitely barely in there. They weren't even really tightened down. Should be able to just pull this apart, slide this. I wish all the packing came with it. I'd like to reuse it. Here we go. Should be able to get that out. Shouldn't be too hard. Alright, so something I've found is any can pretty much is a perfect fit to slide down in there. There's a little bit of wiggle room, that way it can't really get stuck and jammed down in there. Some other cans, like a Plasti-Dip can, is a little bit bigger than WD-40 and it's a little more snug, but honestly, if I maybe heat it up and try to jam something similar to this down in there, it should work. Maybe I'll end up using a can, I don't know, I can't really like nail it anything on the top. I'll turn it around so you can see the dent getting pushed out if it actually ends up working. Now this is the only thing that I found that's relatively the same size that will fit in. Little hole saw with drywall still in there. Should do the trick. Digging in, if you can see right there, probably gonna take it out. Well, I mean, it kinda came out better than it was before, but I think I'm gonna try it a little bit more. Maybe flip it around because the teeth are kind of biting into there due to the welds on the top where the mount is, so it's kind of forcing the teeth down into the exhaust. Up through, I think eventually you could kind of see it coming through all the way. But a little bit more, I think we can get the rest of it out. I've given it another attempt. I don't think it's actually going to get out anymore. It's kind of forcing the pressure down, so I think should have fixed it. I'm gonna throw it back together, throw it on the bike, and then see if it fixed that sound, I guess. But the majority of the dent is pretty much out. Alright, well, moment of truth, we'll fire it up and see if it's good to go or not. Don't mind my sandals once again. Alright, so here's what I've come up with. I wasn't happy with the shorty, with the way that sounded came out. So I got the other stock one, but I changed the mounting. This time I kind of forced it into this mount. It's kind of sketchy in there temporarily until I get the rubber piece mounted, but just to see if it would work. And then now it shouldn't rattle around. It's not hitting the fender anymore. And obviously it's not hitting up here. It kind of spaces it out evenly more. I might just run it like this for the weekend at least. As it stalls out after we turn the gas up, I'm just gonna run it like that, like I said. Also gives it a little more spacing in between there, kind of like the shorty was on the other side of the mount anyway, so it's kind of even pushed in even more. It's not gonna hit the tire or anything, so should be good to go. I also finally picked this thing up from Ryan's today. Needs a good wash, good run over, but other than that, should be good. I'm not taking it tomorrow. We're not taking the trailer. Ryan's already there camping. I'm just taking the two bikes, the pit bike and the 125 for the weekend. But doesn't matter. I need more practice on this thing anyway. That's pretty much gonna wrap this video up here. If you guys enjoyed it and want to see more, I think I was riding pit bikes yesterday or whatever was before this clip. I don't really remember, but just trying to get this thing buttoned up for the weekend. Should be good to go. Since I plan on racing it on Sunday, maybe, we'll see. But I'm like 98% sure that I'm gonna race it Sunday. So stay on the lookout for that video. Tomorrow's video should be practice on this, and then the following video should be the race video. So like I said, stay on the lookout for that. If you guys are new, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video.